Imagine a city that knows you better than you know yourself. A city that anticipates your needs, solves problems before they even happen, and runs with almost perfect efficiency. This isn't science fiction. These cities are real, and they're not just smart. They're being run by artificial intelligence. From Asia to Europe to North America, a new kind of urban revolution is unfolding, and it's already changing the lives of millions. So, get ready to see how AI is building the cities of tomorrow, today. First stop, Songdo, South Korea. Often called the world's first smart city built from the ground up, Songdo is a living laboratory for urban AI. Picture this: thousands of sensors embedded in streets, buildings, and homes, all constantly collecting data. They read tracking everything from traffic flow and parking availability to energy consumption in apartments, and how full the public waste bins are. All this information feeds into a central AI brain. This AI doesn't just look at the data, it acts on it. If traffic starts to build up on one street, the AI can reroute cars. If a building is using too much electricity, the system can adjust the climate control. Even waste collection is optimized. Instead of trucks on a fixed schedule, pneumatic tubes suck trash directly from buildings to a central processing facility, but only when the sensors say the bins are full. It's a city that breathes and adapts in real time, all orchestrated by an intelligent, unseen force. Now let's head over to Singapore, a tiny island nation with big ambitions for AI. Singapore has a huge challenge, managing millions of people and vehicles in a very limited space. Their solution? A sophisticated, AI-powered traffic management system. The city-state is covered in cameras and sensors that feed real-time data into an AI platform. This platform doesn't just see traffic jams, it predicts them. By analyzing historical data and current conditions, the AI can foresee congestion hotspots up to an hour in advance. But what's truly amazing is how it responds. The AI dynamically adjusts the timing of traffic lights across the entire city to smooth out the flow of vehicles. It can create green waves to clear a congested artery or change signal patterns to favor public buses and keep them on schedule. It's like having the world's most intelligent traffic cop on every single corner, working 24/7 to make sure everyone gets where they're going faster and with less frustration. From there, we fly to Dubai, a city known for its futuristic vision. Here, AI isn't just a feature. It's a core part of the national strategy. Dubai aims to be the smartest and happiest city on Earth, and AI is the engine driving that goal. The applications are incredibly broad. AI systems monitor the city's vast infrastructure, from water pipelines to the power grid, predicting potential failures and scheduling maintenance before a problem ever occurs. Public safety is also getting an AI upgrade. Advanced surveillance systems use AI to monitor public spaces, identify unusual activity, and speed up emergency response times. They even use an AI to manage water usage in one of the most arid regions on the planet, optimizing irrigation and detecting leaks with incredible precision. In Dubai, the government sees AI as a fundamental tool for delivering better services to its citizens, from healthcare and education to transportation and public utilities. Next, we visit Barcelona, a city that proves you don't need to be built from scratch to be smart. Barcelona has brilliantly integrated AI into its historic landscape. One of their most successful projects is smart lighting. Street lights are fitted with sensors that detect motion. When a street is empty, the lights dim to save energy. As soon as a pedestrian or car approaches, they brighten back to full power. This simple change has dramatically reduced the city's energy consumption. They've also applied this logic to waste management. Trash bins have sensors that alert sanitation crews when they're full, creating optimized collection routes that save fuel, time, and reduce traffic congestion. Even the city's parks are getting smarter. AI-powered irrigation systems use data from soil moisture sensors and weather forecasts to deliver the perfect amount of water to plants, avoiding waste and keeping the city's green spaces lush and beautiful. Let's cross the Atlantic to Toronto, Canada, where the focus is on using AI for smarter urban planning and predictive maintenance. Toronto's waterfront is a massive redevelopment project, and it's being designed with AI at its core. The plan involves a network of sensors collecting data on everything from air quality and noise levels to energy use and pedestrian traffic. This data will help the AI-driven urban planning models decide the best placement for parks, public transit stops, and community services. But it's not just about the future. It's about the present. Toronto is also using AI for predictive maintenance. Sensors on bridges, water mains, and public transit vehicles can detect tiny vibrations or temperature changes that signal a potential problem. This allows the city to fix things before they break, preventing costly emergency repairs and service disruptions. It's about building a city that is not only smart, but also resilient and reliable. Now for a city that sparks a lot of debate, Shanghai. China has gone all in on AI, and Shanghai is a prime example of its power and its controversies. The city has one of the most extensive AI-powered surveillance networks in the world. Millions of cameras equipped with advanced facial recognition technology monitor public spaces. This system is incredibly effective at identifying suspects and maintaining public order. The AI can track a person of interest across the city in real time, cross-referencing their face with massive databases. It's also used for more mundane tasks, like ticketing jaywalkers automatically or controlling access to buildings. While there's no denying its effectiveness in reducing certain types of crime, it raises profound questions about privacy and social control. Shanghai represents the cutting edge of AI surveillance, a powerful tool that forces us to consider the balance between security and personal freedom. Let's cool things down in Helsinki, Finland, a city that's using AI to make life better in a very citizen-focused way. Helsinki's climate and geography present unique challenges, especially for transportation. Here, AI is being used to create a truly on-demand public transport system. Instead of relying solely on fixed bus routes and schedules, an AI-powered service allows residents to summon a minibus through an app. The AI calculates the most efficient route to pick up multiple passengers who are all heading in the same general direction. It's more convenient than a traditional bus and more affordable than a private taxi. The system is constantly learning and adapting, analyzing demand patterns to predict where vehicles will be needed most. It's a flexible, efficient, and user-friendly approach that shows how AI can make public services more responsive to people's actual needs. Beyond just making things convenient, AI is also becoming a critical tool for saving lives. In many of these smart cities, AI is at the heart of their emergency response systems. For example, AI algorithms can analyze data from weather sensors, social media, and emergency calls to predict where natural disasters like floods or wildfires are most likely to occur. This allows authorities to issue targeted warnings and pre-position resources before the disaster even strikes. When an incident does happen, AI can instantly analyze all incoming information to give first responders a clear, real-time picture of the situation. It can identify the fastest routes for ambulances, bypassing traffic, and allocate resources like firefighters and police officers to where they are needed most, ensuring the most effective response possible in those critical first moments. The evolution doesn't stop there. The smartest cities are now becoming testing grounds for the next wave of AI-driven technology. We're seeing trials of autonomous vehicles, with AI guiding cars, buses, and delivery pods through complex urban environments. Drone deliveries are being tested, with AI plotting the safest and fastest flight paths to drop packages right at your doorstep. And in healthcare, AI is helping to diagnose diseases earlier and manage public health crises more effectively. The future that we've seen in movies for decades, with robotic assistants, self-driving cars, and hyper-efficient systems, isn't some distant dream. In these pioneering cities, that future is already here, and it's being built one algorithm at a time. So after this world tour of AI-powered cities, the question is, would you be comfortable living in a city where an algorithm helps decide traffic flow, energy use, and even public safety? Would you trust AI to run the city around you? It's a big question to consider, but for a growing number of people around the globe, it's not a hypothetical. Because in their cities, AI already does. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.